Ma'am, can you state your name, your background, and kung ano po yung work nyo, saan kayo nag-stay and location nyo?
Hi, I'm Rivicmi and I'm for short lang Vic because I'm staying sa Japan, based on Japan, tapos I'm just on a vacation here.
Sakto lang din, ma'am, na nandito ka sa Cebu, no?
Yes.
Nandito ka sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
Okay. Sige, so why did you decide to learn trading?
I decided to learn trading for my retirement. That's really the purpose that I am here, para ma-prepare ko na ang retirement ko na medyo malapit-lapit na din.
So how do you think trading can change your life?
Trading can change my life through financial stability and preparation din para mapuntuhan na yung my retirement.
So, ma'am, di ba you say po na a while ago that you're from Japan?
Yes.
And how is it living outside the Philippines? Ano po ba experience nyo nung nakatira po kayo sa Japan? And how is it impacted your life?
Matagal na din po kasi ako sa Japan. So, I live there for almost 20 years already. So, napahiwalay ako sa family ko. Iba talaga when you're with your kids, no? And then, when it comes to living in Japan, yeah, the life there is good. But definitely with the family, mas masaya sana. Kaya nandito ako to learn more para mas magiging may financial literacy at the same time maging may financial stability.
So, ano yung mga advice mo din to those people na like you, nag-start ka lang din maging curious on how to do trading? Ano yung ibigay mo sa kanilang advice?
Naging curious ako sa trading when nakita ko yung video ni Coach Lady. Then, ang mas maganda, if you're really interested in trading, pumasok ka sa isang community which we can help you para mas matutunan at alamin pa kung paano talaga gawin ito ng tama.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.